Introducing Uniden's state-of-the-art Guardian Full HD DVR security system, the GDVR 20 series. Ideal for home or business, the GDVR 20 series provides continuous 24/7 digital video surveillance for your property, deterring intruders and ensuring critical events are captured when needed. The Uniden Guardian GDVR 20 series features ThermoSense technology, a smart heat and movement sensor that detects movement from people as opposed to motion from trees. This eliminates false triggers and ensures you are only alerted to genuine situations, allowing you to act quickly. This integrated wired system is a robust 4 or 8 channel Full HD 1080p DVR system that comes with 4 or 8 weatherproof bullet cameras that can be viewed via smartphone, tablet or through your television. It offers exceptional 2-megapixel cameras, enhancing clarity, efficiency and monitoring capabilities with sharper images and live streaming in more detail. The 105-degree viewing angle provides a wide field of vision to cover more area, minimising blind spots. Powerful infrared night vision of 20 metres plus allows you to see clearly at night or in darker locations. For those who already have CCTV cameras installed, the Guardian GDVR 20 series is the ideal upgrade system, allowing you to update any old CCTV cameras with the latest and best technology. Smart push alerts and notifications from the system notify you of events as and when they happen, no matter where you are, through Uniden's free Guardian 365 app for Apple and Android smartphones and tablets. The app allows you to record and view footage and monitor your home or business remotely, giving you the comfort of having complete control of your security system in the palm of your hand. With up to 1 terabyte of internal storage on a surveillance-grade hard drive, you can continuously and simultaneously record and store footage from all cameras, with USB backup giving you greater security protection. Available in 4-channel 4-camera or 8-channel 8-camera configurations, the GDVR 20 series is one of the most versatile wired systems on the market and is simple to set up with DIY installation. The weatherproof bullet cameras can be wall or ceiling mounted and are built tough to withstand Australia's harshest weather conditions. Give yourself peace of mind with the Guardian Full HD GDVR 20 series, knowing that monitoring and securing your home or business has never been so easy. Uniden, we've got you guarded.